Okay, good afternoon everyone and welcome back muli sa ating live.
First one, will please pull a line in front of table of
Tayo
video.
magsisimula na para sa ating championship game. Ay, okay lang. Hey, shout out boss. Co-commentator ko ngayon, gusto mo?
Yung kapay mo maya-maya ah.
Oo nga. Okay. Sino kaya sa tingin mo ang papasok sa ating palarong pambansa?
Ma'am, syempre.
2026.
Yan.
San Juan National High School versus the Xavier School. Battle of the best, no? Para sa
First one.
represent natin dakilang lungsod ng San Juan.
Sa akin, tadaan ko lang sa bisyo.
Yes, sir. Natin. Sino ang mananalo? Ang height ba or ang pa? Block. Ay, okay na block. Ating lang. Una call. Thank you. Sorry.
First five on the surpresa, number 77, number 5, number 8, number 44, and number 15. First five of District 1, number 11, number 14, number 12, number 17, and number 18. Jumbo between number 11 and number 8. Alright, surpresa.
No. And the first basket mula kay Shaw. Short. Iba ng Xavier School. Number 5, Pasto Go Benedicto. No good.
Sabo.
Andrew 4-3. Yes, sir. By Andrew Shaw. Bien, Rodriguez. Steal. Ay, nasa Shaw. What a pass. Number 44.
Super,
7-0. 2 points para Xavier. Gets the 3, no good. Rebound by Go Benedicto. Backdoor pass. Shaw for 3. Short. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Bien. Rodriguez for 3. Short. Out of bounds. Wala dito ng Xavier. Pass to go, drop pass, number 15. Basket is good. Rodriguez for 3, no good. Shaw. Number 15. There's a foul.
Substitution. Number 12. Number 40. Number 12.
Oh, thank you. What an extra pass sa loob. Para kay Go Benedicto. Let's go. Jump shot. Basket. Number 15. Pass to Shaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Bien. Steal. Benedicto. Juarez. All the way. Basket. By jersey number 5. Timeout. San Juan National High School or District 2. Official scores 13-2 in favor of Xavier School. Back to the ball game, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Olivia Yao. Olivia Yao is watching. And to all the parents from both teams. Rodriguez. Pop and under, no good. Rebound by Andrew. Shaw. Pass to number 44 to Sia, and there's a foul. Basket count. Pass ba?
Number 4.
Basket count and 1 by Sia. No good. Rodriguez gets that 3, no good. There's a foul. Wala nang white team. Number 1, steal by Sia, pass to Go Benedicto. Basket is good. (17-2). Rodriguez, bien. Nasa corner. Pass to bien. Rodriguez, pinasa loob.
Number 21 and number 7, number 15 and number 5. Number 7 and number 44, taking the ball.
Number 44, kick out.
Number 17, 3
Show for 3. Basket for 3 points.
Number 1.
Chill.
To number 20.
Pasa bien to number 1. No good.
Number 11.
Nice.
Number 14, number 11. Number 44. Let's take the ball. Pass to number 77.
Deck.
Ball.
Out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Hindi. Coach, tutor. Isa. Ikaw pala, hindi ka na napansin.
Number 17. Pass to number 20.
Yeah, 4-3, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Ball ng San Juan National. Rodriguez, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng San Juan National High School. Rodriguez, pinasa loob. Bien, 4-3, short. And that was the foul number 7.
Number 5. Number 7 out. Saprissa.
Bien. Rodriguez. There is a foul. Number 21.
Number 12 foul.
Cancel in.
Number 12.
Rodriguez, 4-3. No good. There's a foul. Number 77.
White score penalty.
Tom, di na to! Mag-libre!
Pasa bien. Trap pass. Oh, nakalusot. 24.
Number 44, taking the ball.
Nasa corner. Andrew 4-3. Basket is good. Nakasagot agad ang Xavier doon. Rodriguez. Matakan na bola. Babawi sa 3. Oh! 3. Muy bien. Naibalik. Ayan na si Sho. Pass to go Benedicto. To Sia.
To number 21.
Solina. Out of bounds. Time remaining last 40 seconds.
Running time 40 seconds. Number 1, taking the ball. Pass to number 17.
Rodriguez. Setting on the play. Up and under. Noy! Ano mo ba? Bien. Rodriguez. Nagpapakilala na rin dito si Bien para sa Xavier. Shaw. Last 12 seconds. Shaw. I-discarte. Tumira. Ooh. There's a foul.
4.
bola!
Time remaining, last 5 seconds.
Second personal foul, number 4.
So on the free throw area. Basket. Second shot para kay Shaw Andrew. Basket. Rodriguez for 3. Oh. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 25-9 in favor pa rin sa Xavier School. Okay, magbabalik tayo para sa ating second quarter. Boss. Ano, kaya liga? Ayan. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Bola ng San Juan National High School. Number 18. Last touch.
Number 44,
Montek.
pass to number 21.
Cheseline. That's a 3 seconds violation. Number 11. Pass. Number 5. Pinasa loob. Basket. Okay na, unti-unti na humahabol ang San Juan National. 25-11. Shaw. Pass to Sia. Out of bound. Last touch.
Number 50 now.
Bola ng Xavier. So, 4-3. No good.
Number 11. Taking the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 44. Running time 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 89. Number 11.
Jump shot, no good. Wala, rebound ng Xavier.
Number 21.
Ayun na si Jenna Celine.
Pass to number 5.
Cheseline.
44 to 77.
Yeah, Montek, spin. Boy, that's a traveling. Bola ng San Juan National High School. Number 18. Oh,
Last touch.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 54 seconds.
Number 18.
Wala lang San Juan National High School.
Up to number 2.
Gets the 3 short. It's a lane violation. Wala lang Xavier.
Number 77. Pass to number 5. To 15. Pass to number 21.
Yes, a traveling.
Number 40. Number 5. Number 11 and number 18, taking the ball. Pass to number 89. Number 4.
Steal by Jenna Solin. Gets Solin. Pass to Show. What the pass sa loob by Sia. 27 to 11. Pa rin ang Xavier dito.
Number 89, pass number 12.
Andres.
Pass to number 15. Foul number 15.
Foul number 15, Sia. Santiago shooting on the line for San Juan National High School.
Number 17, number 89 out.
Rodriguez coming in for number 19. Timeout sa Prisa. Xavier. Time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Timeout muna dito ang Xavier School sa Prisa. Gusto mo sa school na yun? Elementary? Ay na ba? School. Saan ka ngayon? Sa ban? Anong year ba na dyan? Ano yan? Ano next year dyan? Sabi ka na. Sabi ka na. Para ikaw naman yung lalaro dyan. Graduate natin yung ito, diba? Oo. Ikaw na susunod dyan. Alright, back to the ball game. Santiago on the free throw area. Wala. Second shot para kay Santiago. Wala pa rin. Wala lang Xavier.
Pass to number 5. Pass to number 77. Pass to number 21.
Yeah, solid 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 11.
Number 18. Taking the ball. Pass to number 17.
Rodriguez. No good. Rebound by number 11. Wala. Rebound by Bien. Jump shot. No good. Rebound ng Xavier. Shaw. Oh, no good. Sia. What a strip there. Number 18.
Foul, number 24.
There's a foul.
Number 44 and number 17. Number 15 out and number 77.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Shooting on the line, jersey number 18, Santiago.
Number 21 second personal foul.
Basket.
number 5, box number 44.
Oh, still. Number 8 in basket. Ayun na, mahabol na ang San Juan National. Kick out, pass to Jensolin. To Go Benedicto, and there's a foul. And that's a technical.
Foul number 11.
Number 11.
11.
May technical po ang San Juan National High School. Shooting on the line, jersey number 44, Yao Muntek. Oy, sayang. Second shot, or 2 shots para kay jersey number 8, Go Benedicto. Basket. Time remaining po natin, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Second shot para kay Go Benedicto.
Second attempt. No good.
No good. Wala lang, San Juan National. Ayan na. Rodriguez. Floater, short, rebound. Masia. Hasta Yao Muntek. To Go Benedicto, spin. Uy. There's a foul.
Foul number 4. Substitution. Number 20 and number 28, number 18 out, and number 11. Foul number 40.
Shooting on the line and Go Benedicto. Basket.
Running time 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Basket is good. 30-15. 15-point lead para sa Xavier School. Rodriguez. Oh, nabitawan. Same ball. Ball ng San Juan National High School. Rodriguez, 4-3. Too strong. By number 28. Sa corner, gets a 3, in and out, rebound by Shaw. Out and pass to Sia. Pass to Shaw. Pass to Yao Muntek. Backdoor pass. Shaw with the fake. Stop and bomb. Basket is good by jersey number 77.
Number 17, taking the ball.
Rodriguez, floater, basket. 32-17.
Number 77.
Balik sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Xavier.
Number 8.
Go Benedicto. Wow, steal. Kaya na. 2 against 2. Rodriguez and 1. Basket count plus a foul. Shallow shot out. Mga fans dito ang ni Bien Rodriguez.
Number 1
Basket count and 1 bonus shot for Bien Rodriguez for 3-point play.
Number 7,
Basket. 32 220, 12 na lamang po ang inahabol ng San Juan National High School.
Number 21.
Solid, pass to Yao Montek. Back to Yao Montek. Kaya na, sumalaksak, pass to Jensolin. Jump shot, no good. Out of bounds. Sabres girl basketball. Timeout. Saprissa. Saprissa scored 32-20.
Last time on Saprissa.
Back to the ball game. Bounce pass. There's a foul.
Number 20. Number 11 foul.
Foul number 11. Shooting at the line, jersey number 8. Go, Benedicto.
Number 8. 1 point for number 8. Second hand. Substitute number 4 out. Number 11. Number 14. Number 11 out. Number 17. Foul, number 7.
Foul number 7. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Shooting the line, jersey number 17. Bien, Rodriguez.
1 point for number 17.
Time remaining, last 56 seconds. 56.8 seconds para sa ating first half. Basket is good. Ayan na, baba sa 12 ang halamangan ng Xavier. Yao Montek, may tangan na bola. Uy, number 7, paso Jensolin. Umatake, no good. Rebound by San Juan, steal by Jensolin. Go Benedicto, wala. Rebound ng San Juan. Ay na si Rodriguez. Rodriguez, 4-3. Oh! There's a foul.
Number 7, third personal foul.
Foul number 7.
Tatlo yan! Yan, tatlo yan!
The line, jersey number 17, Bien. Rodriguez. Bien. Hala.
Second goal.
Uy, no good. Second shot.
Last goal.
Nasa Bien. Basket. Time out. Or substitution. Andrew coming in for number 7.
Number 44, Boxing number 5. Boxing number 44.
Yao Montek.
Number 7.
19 seconds to shoot. Show. No basket. Both teams under penalty situation. Shooting on the line, jersey number 77. Show.
One point for number 77.
Second shot. Para kay Shu. Time out. San Juan National High School.
Running time, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Running scores of Lisa 36, 23.
Back to the ball game. Official score 36-23. Last 8 seconds. Rudy Ike may tanga ng bola. Rudy Ike umatake. Up and under. Oy! Sayang. Alright. Munti ka nang may pasok doon. HBN. Okay, end of the first half. Official score 36-23. Okay, tayo dadawa na maya-maya sa ating third quarter. Ali, shoutout po kay Ma'am Olivia Yao at to all the parents from Xavier School. And shoutout din sa lahat mga nanonood ng ating live. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga kapwa ko San Juaneño. Sino kaya ang papasok at magre-representa ng ating San Juan City sa paparating na palarong pambansa 2026 High School Division?
Bot!
Good luck for both team. At magkakapag muna tayo for the meantime.